I get asked this question all the time. How do I keep my headlights so clean? Why are they not turning yellow like every other G35? Well, the secret is after you polish them, you have to make sure you put a sealant on them. And this is the trick. Meguiar's headlight coating. This product will make sure your headlights stay looking brand new for almost a year. I've been using this product, and as you can tell, my headlights look brand new. And this is a trick and secret that I'm going to show you to keep your headlights on your G35 also looking brand new. Alright, first step is you want to go ahead and mask off the headlights and find a shaded area. Before applying the sealant, you want to make sure the headlights are completely clean. And there's a reason on the Meguiar's Plastic X bottle, the headlight cleaner, that there's a G35 on it. The reason why is, as you know, being a G35 owner, the headlights turn yellow very, very easily. This is a 2005 G35, and the headlights from 03 to 05, mine were getting yellow every single week. Once a week I had to put this bullshit on there to get them to look clean, and the yellow would just keep coming back. It was like a fungus was trapped inside the headlights and I couldn't get it to stop. So I ended up upgrading to 06, 07 projector beams, but how I keep them from turning yellow is, yes, I still use this cleaner, but the secret is making sure you seal them with something, because once you clean them, they're just going to turn yellow again. So you take all that effort. You might have to use sandpaper. You've seen the other videos out there before on how to actually get the yellow off. Since mine aren't very yellow, you only have to wipe a little bit of this on there to keep them in this shape. Now, if you want to keep them that way, you have to seal them off with something. And that's what we're going to do here now. Okay, so here's the can of the headlight sealant. You want to make sure you put on just a very light coat for the first 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're going to put on a second coat that's pretty heavy. This will have overspray to it, so you want to make sure you have this taped off very well, and it's not very breezy. So let's go ahead and start on this headlight. Let's see here. Ooh. So just a very light coat for the very first coat. And then over here to the other headlight. We're going to give that 3 to 5 minutes to dry, and then after that we're going to put on a second heavy coat. And what this does is it makes sure the headlights will not turn yellow. This is sealing them in, so once they've been polished and clean, this is how you ensure that they do not keep turning yellow on you. This is supposed to last for 1 year, and in my experience this product's been working very well for me. If you look at these headlights, they're very, very clear. They're not yellow. So let's go ahead and put on this this second coat here. A little heavier than before. It's got a good smell to it. It's like all nice and like cherry smelling. So here we go, put a little heavier coat on it this time. And remember, when you spray across, release. Spray across, release. It's just like a spray paint can. Let's see how that turns out. After applying the second coat, you just let it dry 3 to 5 minutes and it's dry to the touch. For this to actually cure, it takes a full 24 hours. So instead of you having to put on headlight cleaner every month or every other week to keep the headlights looking like this, this is a solution. When you spray it on, it'll last for a year. So this will stop the yellowing, so you quit having to use so much polish so often to keep the headlights looking like this. So that's really the secret. Once you have the headlights polished and clean, you need to put some kind of sealant on them to ensure they stay that way. So I hope this video helped you guys. I know a lot of G35 owners out there have issues with headlights. The 06 to 07 projectors do not have the yellowing problem as bad as the 03 to 05 headlights. So once you do all that work with all the polishing, you don't want to do that work again next week or a month. Make sure you go out and buy yourself some sealant from Meguiar's. It's only $8 at Walmart, and it lasts for a year. And go ahead and spray it just like this. So feel free to leave some comments down there on your experience with this product, and I'll see you guys next video.